Hello viewers, are you looking for a powerful Android tablet that can handle gaming, entertainment and productivity? Well, Xiaomi has come up with a brand new Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Actually, Redmi has officially launched Redmi Pad 2 Pro during Xiaomi's September 2025 global launch event, but in India this tablet will be available from 6th of January 2026. This tablet will feature a 12.1-inch 2.5K display with 120Hz of refresh rate, 16:10 aspect ratio, 360Hz touch sampling rate and 500 nits of brightness. Also, it will take care of your eyes because it will be covered with TUV, rain, land, flicker-free and low blue light certification, making it great for long study or binge watching sessions. If you ask me about the performance of this tablet will be powered by Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset powered with Adreno 810 GPU and with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and the storage will be in two variants, 128GB and 256GB. In the speaker department, you will get quad speaker setup and Dolby Atmos surround sound with high-res audio, and there will be 300% audio boost. Now, one of the most highlighting features of this tablet is the massive 12,000 mAh battery, which supports 33 watt of wired fast charging and 27-watt reverse charging, so you can even charge other devices with it. Now, in the camera department, it will have 8-megapixel rear camera with LED flash and 8-megapixel front selfie camera. Also, there will be support for Google Gemini AI Assistant, Xiaomi Hyper Connect, phone screen mirroring, Redmi Smart Pen support, 3.5mm headphone jack. Though Xiaomi or Redmi has not yet revealed the pricing, but I think for the 6GB and 128GB variant, the price will be around 26 to 28,000 rupees. And if you want to buy the 8GB and 256GB variant, in that case the price would be above 30,000 price point. So in the conclusion, with a high refresh rate display, Snapdragon power, massive battery and quad speakers and productivity features, Redmi Pad 2 Pro will be a very good option. If Redmi can keep the price lower, they will have a benefit in terms of purchase. I think the 6GB RAM should be priced under 25,000 rupees, otherwise this tablet will not be sold as much as Redmi is expecting. Now let me know your thoughts in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.